Why do I still care about being very involved in the annual conference for administrative excellence after 3 decades? You know, a lot of people would step away by now. A lot of creators of conferences, well, first of all, a lot of times individuals aren't even involved in creating it. It's a committee, it's a big team, and all of that. But the point is, why do I stay hands-on? I mean, I stay hands-on in creating the agenda. It has to be strategic. It has to make sense for you. I care about you. I care about that you are getting the best information that is possible. I care that we have speakers who are going to know you as the audience, who are going to tie their presentations into your world. I care about all the little pieces that we do. I care about the career coaching corner and who's hosting that corner and our success store. But why do I care? That's the question. Because I love the administrative profession. I have been in that industry for 5 decades, 20 years as an assistant. I was you. I know your challenges. I know your frustrations. I know your opportunities. I love it. And I've been in this for 35 years with Office Dynamics as far as training and coaching. I almost feel like you're my baby chicks. I feel responsible for helping improve the quality of your work life. I feel responsible to help give you the best tools possible. I feel responsible to share with you what really is going on behind the scenes and be very honest and open and authentic with you. And so I just care about your success. And I want to continue that journey. And I just absolutely love this profession. You are the heartbeat of every organization. You are vital to the success of a leader, a department, an organization. You matter and you are critical. And I want to be there for you.